Dr. Stephen Cook was born December 14, 1939 in Buffalo, New York. Both his parents were very well educated. His father received his PhD from the University of Michigan and worked as a chemist, and later on became an adjunct professor at the University of Buffalo. His mother had 2 master's degrees in English and history, and occasionally taught English at Erie Community College. At the age of 10, his family moved to Clarence, New York. There, as a high schooler, he worked for some time under Wilson Greatbach, who's famous for inventing the first implantable pacemaker. This is where Cook says he first really got interested in electronics. In 1957, Cook entered the University of Michigan, where he would graduate with a degree in mathematics. He then went on to Harvard University for his graduate studies in mathematics, and he received his PhD in 1966. His thesis was titled On the Minimum Computation Time of Functions. After graduating, he briefly joined the mathematics faculty at UC Berkeley, but was denied tenure possibly because of his split interest in computer science. He accepted an offer to join the computer science faculty at the University of Toronto in 1970. A year later, Dr. Cook published his paper titled The Complexity of Theorem-Proving Procedures, which introduced the theory of NP completeness. His work classified computational problems with respect to the time it requires to solve and verify them. P is the class of problems that can be solved in polynomial time. NP is the class of problems that can be verified in polynomial time. For example, consider the popular puzzle game Sudoku. Once you have a puzzle filled out, it is easy to check if a solution is correct by checking each of the rows, columns, and 3x3 squares. However, it can be much more difficult to solve a puzzle, especially if we consider puzzles arbitrarily large in size, for example 100 by 100, or 1000 by 1000, and so on. NP-complete problems are a subset of NP problems which are as hard as all the other problems in NP. In other words, if it is possible to quickly solve an NP-complete problem, then it is possible to solve all NP problems quickly as well. Today there remains an unanswered question. Are problems in class P also in class NP? In other words, can problems that can be solved in polynomial time also be verified in polynomial time? This question is one of the 7 Millennium Prize problems with a $1 million reward for a correct solution. So if you're looking to make a quick buck, you should definitely give this problem a look. Dr. Cook won the Turing Award in 1982 for his work in computational complexity theory. Today, at the age of 74, Dr. Stephen Cook is still a professor at the Department of Computer Science at the University of Toronto. He is still supervising PhD students and is teaching courses in complexity theory.